So when we work with old buildings and basements, sometimes we come across walls. Question is, how do we create them in a CAD software like Archline? Let's see a few examples. Scenario number 1, we are going to create a barrel vault above the slab. So what do we do first? We click on this slab and we want to duplicate it because this slab is going to be the one which gives us the vault shape. So I'm just going to copy this slab one floor above and I have it over here. The next task, what I have to do, I click on this slab and I want to give it some more thickness because the thickness is going to give us the shape that we need. So I hit enter and now I have a nice thick slab over here which I'm going to use some profiles for to give this nice arc shape. How do we do that? I have to click on the slab form over here and by right clicking on the slab I have a menu called reshape. And that way I can add the whole profile. A profile is actually a cross section of the slab. So what I do is now I see the whole thickness of the slab and this shape is going to distort the 3D the way I need it. But now what I have to do, I have to add some actually auxiliary lines to give us the shape that we need. For that I need the drafting tool over here and I'm going to use offset. I know that the wall thickness is 380 millimeters. So I just have to offset these lines to 380 as well so that I would know where to start the arc. One offset here, one offset there. And one other restriction I have, I want the thinnest part of this arc to be at least 300 millimeters. So I'm just going to offset this down to 300. And now I'm going to use this shape to define the cross-sectional profile. So what I do, I click again on this profile, right click, continue to add profile because I haven't finished this exercise yet, and I'm just going to click on the parts what I want to work with. I'm just going to select the arc from this menu and make the arc like here. Click, click, and another one here. And when I'm done, I hit enter, and then I see that this nice arc shape, this nice barrel vault is created. Now the question comes, what happens if there's another intersecting vault over here if I have a groin vault like that? So how do we do that? The task is actually similar, but there's some changes I have to make. So if I right click on this part of the slab, because that's what I want to profile now, and I'm going with reshape add whole profile, I can overimpose this new profile over the old one. But when I do that, I see that the old profile is gone. I don't need it anymore, so that's fine. But what I need to do nevertheless is I have to fine tune my restriction lines and auxiliary lines to give us this shape. So I'm just going to delete this line over here and go with offset again. Click on this part, offset this back to 380 as well. And if I want to extend this line, I have several choices in terms of how to do that, but I'm going to go with change length and just extend it. And now I have the shape back in action. I'm just going to right click, continue to add profile, and I'm just going to do the same thing as I did before. I go with arc, click on the ending point, define the arc, the radius actually, click on the corner points, click, click, enter, and presto, I have the cross shape the way I need it to be. For similar tips and tricks, visit the website and follow the webinars.